In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newspaper using Google Docs. This is a simple yet effective way to make a professional looking publication without any special software. Whether you're putting together a school project, a community newsletter, or just want to try your hand at making a newspaper, these steps will guide you through every detail. First things first, you'll need to open Google Docs Template Gallery. Start by navigating to docs.google.com in your web browser. Once loaded, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice an option labeled Template Gallery. Go ahead and click on that. It's like stepping into a treasure trove of design possibilities, all laid out for you to explore. Now, the next step is finding the right template for your newspaper. In the gallery, there are numerous templates available, and you have the option to scroll through these templates one by one. For efficiency, you might prefer using the search bar to zero in on what you need. Type in newsletter or newspaper and see what pops up. Google Docs typically offers a newsletter template that's perfect for creating a newspaper style document. It's structured in a way that resembles the layout and format of a traditional newspaper, making it an ideal choice. Once you've spotted the template that strikes your fancy, the next move is to open and start customizing it. Click on your chosen template to open it up. This action will create an editable document based on that template, bringing you one step closer to your finished product. With the template open, you now have the canvas on which to craft your newspaper. Your first task is to replace the placeholder text with your own content. Start with your headlines. These are eye-catching and set the tone for your articles. Move on to filling in each article section with content crafted in your voice, and don't forget to add any relevant images to complement your stories. You can use your own photos or find royalty-free images if needed. Customization doesn't stop at text and images. You have the freedom to tweak the fonts, colors, and layout to reflect your personal or organizational style. Maybe you want bold headlines in a classic serif font, or perhaps a modern sans serif is more your speed. Consider the color scheme as well. The small detail can influence the mood and readability of your newspaper. Take the time to experiment with the layout too, ensuring that everything is visually balanced and reader friendly. By following these steps, you can create a polished and professional looking newspaper using Google Docs. It's a fantastic tool that is accessible and easy to use, making it simple for anyone to produce a high quality publication. Dive in, get creative, and let your words and images tell the story you want to share.